Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I am back with another makeup related video, and this time it is on a full face of Maybelline products. I did use all Maybelline products to achieve this look on my face, and I'm really excited. Some of the products that I use are longtime favorites, and some of the products are new makeup that I have yet to try. So this is kind of going to be sort of like a first impression for some, and just me raving about my all-time favorite ones. On the other hand, I wanted to make this look kind of on the mauve pinkish Valentine's Day-y side, just because Valentine's Day is quickly approaching. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this look, and I really hope you guys enjoyed these kinds of videos. I'm trying to branch out from like types of videos that I do, so I'm trying to have a little bit of everything. I'm trying to include makeup, planning, and just my life. I have started with spring semester. I actually have a vlog on that on my vlog channel if you guys would like to see that, but I'm trying to really manage my time well in order for me to be able to squeeze these videos in my life. So yeah, I think it's been working pretty good, and I've been pretty organized. So if you guys would like to see an organizational video on how I keep track of like my school and like my life and how I get to do everything, go ahead and, I don't know, comment down below, let me know, or go ahead and like this video and I'll be sure to do a video like that. I also have a lot of updates that I'll probably talk about and get ready with me, because there's been a lot going, and I have a lot of plans for the future, so I want to go ahead and let you guys know about that. Basically, I feel like I'm rambling way too much in this intro, so I'll go ahead and leave you guys to the video. So if you guys would like to see how it is that I got this full face of Maybelline products slash Valentine's Day look, then keep on watching. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and start off with my eyes. I'm going to be using the Maybelline The City Kids Pink Edge eyeshadow palette. It's actually an eye and cheek palette, and I'm going to go ahead and just take this kind of creamy bone color right here just to set my primer. And I'm sorry if my hair is really messy. I just haven't done anything with it since I dyed it. So the look that I'm kind of going for this kind of full face of makeup is kind of like a more Valentine's Day, just because this video is going to go up before Valentine's Day. So yeah, then I'm gonna go ahead and just get a fluffy brush. This is by Sigma, this is the E40, and I'm gonna go ahead and work this color in. I know this is like the blush color, but I really like it just as a transition color. Just gonna go ahead and just work that on my crease. I just went ahead and zoomed you guys in a little bit, just so you guys can see a little more. I'm gonna go in with a kind of smaller brush. This is the Luxie 231, and I'm gonna dip into this color right here, which is kind of like a mauve purpley color. I'm just gonna go over that first color just to blend it out, and then I'm gonna go ahead and go into this deeper purple color. I'm just using this crown brush. This is the C528. It's just a really pointy and small brush, kind of like a detailer brush. I'm gonna go ahead and just blend it a little bit, and then I'm gonna just cut my crease with the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. This is in the color 15 Fair. So then for my lid color, I think I'm gonna do a combination of this one and this one, which are the shimmery colors. Let me just put that on the lid. So far so good. The eyeshadow palette isn't the most pigmented eyeshadow palette. Next I'm going to go ahead and use this Maybelline Master Precise eyeliner. I've never used any of their eyeliners, so I'm really excited to use this one. And this one's so this is the liquid eyeliner, and I believe it is fine tip. So I'm going to attempt to do a wing with this. Pretty good. I really like the eyeliner actually. I was ready to put my lashes on, but I just realized I actually did buy a mascara for this. So this is the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. like it. It's nice. I really like Maybelline mascaras. My all-time favorite would have to be the falsies one. That's like my ride or die though. So next we're gonna go ahead and move on to primer, and I'm gonna go ahead and prime my face with the Maybelline Master Prime Blur Plus Illuminate primer. Have used this in the past a lot actually, and it's pretty good. I don't know, it's not like my favorite primer or anything, but it gets the job done, you know. The only thing is that I am combination skin, so this does tend to get me oily or illuminated, but it's okay because I'm going to be using my all-time favorite drugstore foundation, and it is the Fit Me Matte and Poreless. This is a ride or die. I do want to go ahead and try out their new foundation that just came out. My friend Natalie was actually talking to me about it, but I just wanted to go ahead and use this one just because I love this one so much, and I know I can't go wrong with it. I am in the shade 222, which is True Beige. I'm just gonna go ahead and apply that throughout my face, and this is just the way that I applied. And actually I have like redness around my nose, so what I'm going to use for my redness is this Master Camo by Maybelline, and I'm just using the green one. I kind of have a lot on me, but I'm just gonna put that around my nose. As you guys may or may not know, the green cancels all the redness on your face. I'm gonna go ahead and blend it with a sponge. Okay, so I went ahead and finished up my face, and I put some under eye orange corrector because my eye bags are hideous. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to powder my face with my favorite powder foundation, which is the Fit Me powder. As you guys can see, I love this product. Go ahead and set that foundation. But just the foundation. I'm not gonna touch the under eye yet. For concealer, another one of my favorites, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me concealer. I did use a lighter shade to carve my eyebrows, but I used the shade 20, which is Sand, for my under eye. So I'm going to go ahead and just finish up with the one that I had, but I did buy a new one just in case I run out. To set my under eye concealer, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Master Fix Setting Loose Powder, and I believe this is just in translucent. This is the only one that they have, I believe. So I'm gonna go ahead and lightly bake my under eye. I'm just gonna wait like 20 seconds. I don't do this for too long. I'll just go ahead and wipe it right off with that same brush I use for my powder. It actually looks pretty good. It doesn't look bad. Now the flashback on this though is another question. I'm just gonna go ahead and just do a little bit more powder where I do there. So I went ahead and just did my lower lash line. I'm just gonna go ahead and coat my bottom lashes with the Lash Sensational mascara. I really like the lengthening effect this mascara gives my bottom lashes. So now moving on to bronzing up the face, I'm going to be using this. I believe this is a new product by Maybelline. This is the Maybelline Master Bronze palette, and I don't know if they have different shades, but this is number 10. So it does come with a highlight and 3 bronzers, but I also have this highlight that I wanted to use. This is the Master Chrome Molten Gold. Although my eyeshadow is a little bit cool. To bronze my face, I'm going to go ahead and go with this one just because it's really warm. And for that, I just like using like a really fluffy angled brush. I just mix this one and the one that was right here. I mix those two. They're like complete opposites, so let's see what we get from these two. I don't think I love the eyeshadow and face palette. gonna like pat this highlight so you guys can actually see it. That might have been a little bit too much. Inner corner. These guys. And on the brow. Now for the blush, I'm not gonna go ahead and use the one that comes in the palette, just because I do have another blush. The Fit Me line, this one is 50, which is the color Wine. This is just what it looks like. I really like this blush actually. So we're just gonna put that right in the middle of those two. So last but not least, I'm going to be using this lip color, and this is the Maybelline Super Stay Matte Ink. This is in the shade Lover, which I thought would look perfect with this eye look. I have worn this in the past and it is really long lasting, so I really like it. Just what it looks like. I really do like this lipstick. Like I said, the only thing that I do notice is that it's sticky throughout the day, so that would be one thing to make note of. Aside from that, I really like it, and I love the staying power on this. So that's basically it for my full face of Maybelline products slash kind of Valentine's Day look. Let's go ahead and just talk about the products a little bit more. As for the products, I did enjoy everything. As you guys know, the Fit Me foundation, concealer, and powder are one of my favorites, as well as I really enjoyed the blush. I really liked this Master Bronze palette. The bronzer color looks really nice. I really like this. The only thing that would kind of a downfall would be the eye and cheek palette. It just wasn't my favorite, although I really liked the look that came out of it. I just really like the colors that I had, which are perfect for Valentine's Day, but it's definitely not my all-time favorite palette. I really do like this one. This really covers my redness, and this highlighter is really good. And the eyeliner and mascara, I really like these. I just don't know how long this will last, because they usually run out pretty fast, so I'm not sure how this would be, but I'm definitely going to keep on using it because I really did like the point and how fine it was, and I absolutely love this mascara, especially for my bottom lashes. That's basically it for this video. This is how my makeup ends up looking like, so I really hope you guys enjoyed. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you guys would like to see any other videos in particular, or just want to say hi to me in the comments down below, go ahead and do so, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.